Hello, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about the differences between refinance a home versus HELOC. Home equity line of credit. Oh, yay me, I said it right this time. I was going to make a video prior to lunch, but somehow I was not in the mood to make one, or I tried, it did not work. So I want to talk about refinance a mortgage versus HELOC, HELOC, home equity line of credit. Let's first address refinance mortgage. Refinance basically is you are replacing the existing mortgage with a new mortgage. The reason could be you want to pay off your debts consolidation very often. You may want cash out to maybe pay your kids' tuition, maybe making home improvement, maybe you just want to pay maybe travel or put some savings, I don't know. Could be either or. Then not a big reason would be, major reason would be the rates are just lower than your current rate. So you refinance based on the terms and the rates or rates. So that's refinance. The process pretty much is similar like you taking a mortgage, but just much smoother and faster, should say. And as long as you provide information accordingly with the time, then you should be relevantly can close really quick. So that is refinance a mortgage. Of course, all guidelines apply. Then HELOC, home equity line of credit. Let's think about this abbreviation. Home equity. So obviously you need to have equity, right? Even refinance cash out, you need to have equity. Otherwise, there's no money out. Then line of credit is just like a revolving credit card. So what does that mean? You use your house as a lien to get the line of credit. The new line of credit, HELOC, will not affect your existing mortgage as long as your principal, interest, taxes, insurance, that stays. Is not changing. You're not touching that loan. You are just put a extra, get a second lien against your property to get some money. So why is like a revolving credit? Because you only pay what you spend. The interest only be applied towards the dollar amount you spend. You pay back, you have more. You pay back, you have more. Just like a credit card. The only big difference between this and credit card is credit card you can, as long as you have it, you use it once a year, usually they will not close that. So the home equity line of credit sometimes have terms that you gotta draw the money you have within number of years. Could be within 3 years, 5 years, I don't know, all depends when you do it. And then maturity is on 30. So if you draw it out, you draw the partial. Just say you have $50,000 line of credit, home equity line of credit, and you approved $50,000, and they gave you 3 years to draw. You draw $25,000 by the end, then you just need to pay the $25,000. You're still making your monthly payment. What I'm saying is your final draw date maybe it came, and you cannot draw after that point. If there's a final date, then you have maturity in 30. That means that you got to pay off this whatever the dollar amount you draw within that many years. So your payment, you wouldn't know what is your payment. And then before then, like just in general speaking, you draw, you pay, you pay, you draw, you can do that. So that is a home equity line of credit. So the reason you got that is almost similar, just like refinance, right? No, actually the only thing similar to refinance is refinance to cash out refinance. So use the money, you can put in savings, you can pay off your debts consolidation, pay your tuition, your kids' tuition, you fix your house, home improvement, or you could fix your car and anything. So maybe you want to buy a investment property or second home, who knows, right? So yeah, in that nature, as long as you understand the difference. Refinance home is replacing your existing mortgage with a new mortgage. Terms, conditions apply, guidelines apply, and you still have one mortgage. And for HELOC, home equity line of credit, is act like an open-end credit card, revolving credit card. So you draw, you pay, you draw, interest only accrued on the money you spend, the balance on your balance. If you have you draw the $20,000, you're going to pay out the interest based on $20,000. It's not your approved amount. And your current mortgage has nothing to do with this. The HELOC will not change your current mortgage's position, condition, anything. Yeah, so that is the difference. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I see you in next. Remember to leave a comment. Let me know what kind of video related to information you would like to know about properties, buying a home mortgage, and even just say that you are curious about it. Leave a comment below. I have an email in my bio. You can email directly too. I may not respond the same day, but I will respond. I will check those kind of comment, the email twice a week. Yes, so I can address the questions that you have. Okay, if you have a wonderful day, see you in next video. Okay, thank you.